That one has Excelsior on it, stars. That's patriotic. And we got just a bunch of assortment of that's a big sash buckle. Part of one, I'm assuming. Some of these are probably horse and tack. This one's definitely period. This is a Civil War era buckle. Came from Wilmington, North Carolina, around Carolina Beach. Probably something like a Confederate would wear. Hold his britches up. This right here really isn't a buckle, but this was also dug in North Carolina, around Wilmington, Carolina Beach. This is a part of a lockbox. I'm thinking, or it could be something to fasten something closed, but because of the rivets, how close they are smashed, it had to have been something thin. So, kind of neat. There's just all kinds of, that's a sash buckle. I've found a lot of these in Civil War camps. Different types, probably breeches, buttons, maybe. I mean, not buttons, but underwear, suspenders. Little tiny cute. Never know what these went to. But anyway, I thought I'd share them with you. I'm bored. I'm trying to do research, want to go digging, and didn't know where to start on showing y'all some of my relics. These are just some of the cooler buckles and suspender buckles and garment fasteners. I guess we can round them all up by saying. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and y'all let me know what you want me to do next. I can do some buttons, I can do flat buttons, I can do military buttons, coins. Y'all let me know what you want to see next, so I can get out and dig and make some more cool videos. Anyway, thanks for viewing.